Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Today, I'm feeling lucky with my hand because nag-i-inartis siya guys. Ayaw niyang kumain, panay lang ang growl niya. Ibig sabihin nun, he needs attention. Kailangan niya ng lambing. Ang gaya ngayon, ayaw niyang kumain mag-isa kaya pinakain ko siya ng disobo ng kamay. Minsan ganyan siya guys, nag-iinarte, papakit sa mama. Mahaba na yung buhok niya guys, need lang pakitan yung around his eyes and also yung kanyang paa, papatrim ko. Kasi yun lang, muna. Ligo na lang araw-araw kasi mainit. Next lang yung kanyang whole body. Ano yan, Maika? Nagdagaan ako, nag-vlog ako. Sino yan kumakanta? Maka-copyright tayo. Hindi ko to siya i-edit. I-direct ako siyang post. So, ayan. He's almost finished. And yung pagkain niya guys, nakalutang sa tubig kasi malanggam. Pinakaligtaan mo lang. Kunyari, hindi niya kinakain. Maya-maya, puno na siya ng langgam. Kaya, dyan sa tubig. Yan. Getting lucky. Also guys, I rearranged my small sala, my small living room. This TV used to be there beside the window. The other night, I rearranged and put it there, which I think is better than when it's beside the window. And there's my bunso. Bunso, say hello to the camera. Micah, say hi. Busy. And now Lucky is drinking his water. Busog na siya. Niluwa-luwa niya na yung iba. Yan, may tira. Diyan lang natin siya. Pulutin natin yung nagkalat kasi. Mamaya malanggam na siya ulit. Okay. What can you say? You have to thank Mama. Say thank you, Mama. Thank Mama for feeding me. Thank you, Mama, for feeding me. I am now full. So, yan lang guys. Update ko lang. Yung munti naming tinitirahan na bahay. My daughter is busy watching on my laptop. Okay, so actually guys, nagbasa ako ng book. This one. I feel like I'm losing my English sharp. I tried attending this online what they call that? Online applications, not really online application. I tried applying online, but my English kinda, not good anymore. So I need to read books. These books, reading books helps me a lot to learn English way back when there's no internet. Kasi ngayon, puro na lang nood. Almost every day, nood. So, I'm going back to reading books again. I have plenty of books actually. I bought books from Lazada. I don't know if it's original copy, but I bought some books, like I think 4 books already when I was still working abroad. And this one I bought this from National Bookstore. It's Aura, and I haven't finished reading this until now. Let's see, it's old. But the story is like for kids story, not an adult thing. But this one I like this one. And on the page, what page am I in? 69. There, 69. Oh, it's 19. Ang labo na talaga ng mata ko. Isa pa sa problema sa akin, yung mata ko guys. Ang labo na talaga. I need a good eyeglass. Yun lang. Update lang. Asan si Lucky? Lucky, where are you? He's on the CR, at the CR already. In the CR? At on. In, right? English pa mo. Ayan. Anyway, guys, I will go to Manila probably next week because I I will go to my old company. I wanna go back to them. I wanna go back there. It's a good location, near the malls, near the walking area in Makati. Sometimes I would walk along Ayala Avenue before I go to sleep because I would stay in the sleeping area. We're allowed to sleep there for days. And it's like you are renting for free or you are staying there for free. It's like a dormitory actually. Anyway, lang. Update lang tayo ng ating channel. Medyo wala tayong time mag-edit kaya ganito lang muna. Ganyan lang muna tayo guys. Mag-video-video lang tayo ng ating paligid. Ayun yung electric fan. Usually, dito ako natutulog. Kasama si Lucky. Pag dyan ako natulog, katabi ko si Lucky. Andun kayo kumot. Pero pag dito sa sofa, sarap si Lucky, nalalaglag siya kasi maliit lang yung sofa. Ayan. Minsan, tinatabi ko itong upuan. Nalagay ko yung unan para wala siyang puso. Tapos tatabi ko siya dito sa akin para hindi siya malaglag ba. Kasi pag dito siya sa sofa, nalakadudulas. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye for now. Take care.